Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. I'm Jasmine. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I filmed a makeup video, I feel like, at least. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here for you guys. This video is probably all over the place. My kids are in the view sometimes. So yeah, mom life, hashtag mom life. So I'm excited to do this look, my look number 1 for Valentine's Day. We are less than a month away, so I wanted to do a look for you guys. Let me know if you like it. Thumbs up this video if you do, for sure. Also, before you go, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And yeah, I'm excited to do a few more of these looks for you guys. If that's something you guys want to see, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Very fun. I have been all about color, as you guys probably can tell lately. So if you like this video, I want to see how I got this look, of course, just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I can't decide if I'm gonna do like a colorful, I think I'm gonna do, I have my crayon case, box of crayons palette. I was not able to get the matte book one just yet, but I want to do a Valentine's look, and these purples are calling my name. So I think we're gonna do something dramatic or different. So you guys know I've been loving doing like colorful looks and stuff like that lately, but I'm gonna take my Rimmel Match Perfect concealer, which looks like this. Please. Boom, my Morphe M573, and I'm just going to tap right into this pink. I don't know why I'm about to use this pink, because it stains my eyes, which is a good thing because it's super pigmented, but I have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna pay for it. My eyes are gonna be pink. So I'm basically just going to tap this onto my lid, starting from like my crease, the outer crease here, and just tap it in and build it up as I go. I really should have started with purple first. Fluffy brush. This is a BH Cosmetic. No, this is a Morphe E27. And I'm just gonna make sure those edges are blown out before I go in with my next shade. Morphe M330. I love this brush. I'm gonna go into the red color. Do I want to go into the red or purple? Should I do purple? No, I'll do red. I don't know what we're gonna come up with. I'm just gonna put that, which on me it looks kind of pink anyway. So this is just gonna darken the pink shade. So basically I'm going in the same, kind of in the same place as I put the pink originally, but like focusing it more on my crease and kind of pulling it downwards. And so that's gonna give me like that blown out effect. So it's actually looking like I have on a darker pink and then it fades out to the lighter pink. And that's what I wanted, so yay me. Red shade. Now I'm gonna go in to some purple, and I'm gonna take a smaller type of brush. This is the Morphe M506. I usually use this for black. Let me make sure. And I'm gonna go into the color Deep Plum, which is a dark purple color there. Charlie! And I'm just really putting this in my crease, like right below that red. Okay, so you guys know that brush that I used in the beginning with the pink. Add that back. So the brush that I've been using to do this is, I think it's this one. No, it's not that one. Where did it go? Here it is. The brush that I've been using to do this is the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and it just looks like this, and I just make it as flat as possible. As you can see, it's super duper flat. So yeah, I probably won't be talking during this part, but you guys can see my head is itching. Ooh, and it's so dry, y'all. My scalp is so dry. I'm gonna go into Deep Plum to kind of smoke out. I'm trying not to look up and open my eyes because I don't want this concealer to move. So I'm gonna take the color red. So taking the color red from the Crown Case. Back in with this pink, like so. Probably need to use a small. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera and do the other eye, and then we'll come back. You guys, so these are the finished eyes. I guess somebody leave me a comment. Let me know, do I have hooded eyes? Because when I open my eyes and when I'm talking to you guys, you can't really see. But when I close my eyes, you guys can see a lot better. But I did decide to go into my e.l.f. I did decide to go into my brand new e.l.f. eyeliner. I used to use this so much and I really forgot about it. So I'm pulling this back out. I think I am going to do a wing. Because lately my wings have been so trash. But all right, so now I'm gonna deepen my outer crease again with that Deep Plum. Hey babes, so my lashes are on. Of course, my glue has to dry. I'm gonna go back in with my glitter because I feel like one side is a little bit higher. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my Witch Hazel that I got from Target. This is my absolute favorite. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and I'm going to pour some on a tissue. And then, because I already wiped my face, but any excess oil I may have, that'll soak it up. And also any glitter. So no, I'm just kidding. So yeah, now I'm going to moisturize my face, which I'm going to use. My sister just called and I hung up, so oops, sorry sis, you're gonna have to wait. I'm gonna use my Cetaphil face moisturizer. This is like the travel size one. I just got it from Target. I never tried it before. I think I may have tried it once before, but it's bomb. It's the bomb. My skin is so freaking hydrated. I can't find a hair tie anywhere, which is why my hair is down in my face. But I'm just gonna put this all over my... Okay, so the foundation that I'm using is the CoverGirl True Blend. Oh, excuse me, you guys. So I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is in the color Sand Beige, which is I think a little bit too dark for me, but this is what it, oh look at this. It's so dark for me, but I'm gonna make it work. I never use this. I used to use it in the beginning, but I stopped. So I'm just gonna boom, 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 3 pumps on my hands. And then, oh my God, this foundation is about to be so yellow and not my color. Yes. What? Not my shade. But I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush or expert face brush, and I'm gonna blend this down. So dark for my neck and my face, but it kind of matches my chest. So this is the second foundation that I've gotten that is not my color, but I have like waited so long to where I can't. It feels really nice on the skin. I've waited too long to where I can't, you know, like take it back to exchange it. So it doesn't look totally bad in the with all my lights and stuff, but it's not my color. I haven't been a fan of this foundation in a while. When it first came out, I was like, okay, cool. But now that, like, after wearing it a few times, to kind of help with the oranginess and the darkness of this foundation, I'm going to use, it probably looks normal to you guys, but no, like, I can definitely tell that it's not my color, like, in person. I mean, it's not terrible, but I'm gonna take the lightest shade of the LA Girl concealer, and I usually use this to, like, do my eyes or whatnot, because it's, I mean, to, like, conceal my eyes. I'm gonna take this in the inner parts. And I'm also going to take Creamy Beige.
Play with Mason room because he really wants it.
Alright, so. And I'm gonna put this like
Mom,
everywhere else.
all
Alright, so I've let it sit for a second and I've wet my beauty blender, which is a little dirty from this morning, but I'm going to blend this all out. I'm just taking this random brush from Walmart. I'm gonna take I'm gonna go back in with my brush. That, you know, I use for my foundation to kind of blend that in. So let's jump back into the crayon case palette, and I'm gonna go into so basically everything that I did on the top I'm gonna reverse and do on the bottom. So well, okay, so you know I did the pink on the top first. I'm gonna do the purple on the bottom first this time. So for blush, I'm gonna take the color, it's like a super old color. This is Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, which looks like that. I think this will go pretty with what I got going on. So I'm just gonna take a blush brush from Real Techniques. I think this is a blush brush. And then for my favorite part, I'm going to take some highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm using is, again, out of the It's My Ray Ray palette. Boom. Doesn't look like no disco. I'm taking the Rimmel extra long lash mascara. Go into the crayon case. I'm gonna take the color white, and that's gonna be my inner corner. Okay, so this is the finished look.